Hello, boys and girls. This will be homework for day 2 for Tuesday. The first one says, Ryan wrote twice as many poems as his sister this summer. If his sister wrote 8 poems, how many did Ryan write? So you would need to write out your equation that you would need to have to solve this problem and then solve it. So if Ryan wrote twice as many poems as his sister this summer, if his sister wrote 8 poems, how many did Ryan write? So you solve that here. The next one says, what type of angle is BAC? So BAC goes from here to here to here. So what type of angle is this part? This angle here, it goes up and down. So you can't count this part, just up and down. BAC. Is it acute, obtuse, or right? You will circle your choice. The next one says, circle the fractions which are equivalent to 1/2. So you would look at these and you can see if this one is 4 parts, a total of 4 parts, 1 part is shaded, so that fraction would be 1/4. This one has 4 total parts as well, and it has 2 parts shaded, so that will be 2 out of 4. This one has 10 total parts and 5 are shaded, so that would be 5 out of 10. So circle the fractions that are equivalent to 1/2. So remember, that means there are 2 total parts and 1 is shaded. That's 1/2. So which one of these fractions are the same thing as 1/2? And then the last one is 413 times 5. And I'll go ahead and show you how to set up your area model. So remember, you'll have 3 boxes going across, and you won't have any stacked down because you're only multiplying by 1 digit. So that means I'll have my 5 here, and I'll break 413 apart across the top. So I'll have 400 here, ten here, and 3 here. Then I'll multiply. So 400 times 5, the answer goes in this box. 5 times 10, the answer goes in this box. 5 times 3, the answer goes in this box. And then when you get all the partial products, you add those together, and that will be your final answer. And you can show your work on another sheet of paper and then just put your answer here. But we need to see the work, or you can do it. Yeah, you'll have to do it on another sheet of paper because you can't do it on the back. And that is it for Tuesday's homework.